Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter smooches. This recipe is super easy with minimal ingredients. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we will make a flax egg with 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed and 2 tablespoons of water. This is a very thick flax egg. Set that aside. We will need 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of peanut butter. I'm using my homemade peanut butter for this. Now we basically are trying to form this into a dough, so I'll use a rubber spatula and then I will use my hands if needed. Now we add a half a teaspoon of baking powder and our thick flax egg. Mix that together the best you can. Use your hands if you need to. It will be thick. Now you'll take about 2 tablespoons of the dough and semi-flatten it with your hand, then put it on a parchment-lined baking sheet or with a silicone mat. Then, in peanut butter cookie fashion, do a crisscross pattern gently but firmly on top of the cookies. Then top with your smooches. These are basically vegan kisses from No Way. This will make about 9 cookies. Bake in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes and then let them cool for a couple of minutes before carefully removing it from the pan and putting on a cooling rack. Enjoy these delicious peanut butter chocolate cookies with a glass of oat milk.